है?
अजीबो गरीब नहीं, अजीबो गरीब बिल्कुल हमारा शो नहीं है. हमारा शो तो एकदम धमाकेदार है. सलाम नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू टेक चाय, आवर शो विद द वन एंड ओनली डॉक्टर सैम, सीईओ एंड president and founder of Strategism Inc. We air every Tuesday at 3:30 p.m. ये आपकी कॉफी का कमाल है. It just is making me jittery. So cheers to you, Dr. Sam. Tech Chai with Dr. Sam only on Radio Zindagi 1550 AM. Every Tuesday we air and we get to see the flamboyant side of Dr. Sam, along with, of course, his techie talks and techie stories and all of the goodness that Strategism Inc. brings to the Bay Area, brings to the world at large. अगर आप Strategism के बारे में और जानना चाहते हैं, the contact number is 408-372-7275. You can also send them an email at training@strategisminc.com, or you can also read more about them from www.strategisminc.com. Dr. Sam, welcome once again. How are you doing today?
सलाम नमस्ते हजरात. उम्मीद है आज की शाम बहुत अच्छी होगी और आप
डॉक्टर साहब आप माइक बोल रहे हैं. बहुत धमाकेदार. एक रीटेक.
ओके रीटेक. सलाम नमस्ते मेहरबान कदरदान हजरात. हो सकता है आज की शाम आपकी बहुत ही संगीन और रंगीन हो और आप ड्राइव करते वक्त जीवन का आनंद लें और मस्त रहें और खुश रहें. ऐसी हम आकांक्षा करते हैं, ऐसी हम आपसे अपेक्षा करते हैं.
बिल्कुल. आज माय आफ्टरनून तो हैज बिकम रंगीन आफ्टर सीइंग यू. आई मीन लुक एट यू, लुकिंग लाइक अ मिलियन बग्स विद दिस velvet blazer, this काला चश्मा. वो गाना लगाना चाहिए था मुझे. आई मीन क्या बात है, आज कुछ स्पेशल है क्या डॉक्टर सैम?
आज मैंने सोचा कि हम हमेशा गेस्ट को लाते हैं, गेस्ट कम्स इन अ वेरी फॉर्मल सूट, राइट? और पता लगा दैट क्रिएट्स प्रेशर ऑन मी कि ना मैं बड़ा सूट वूट पहन के, आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी कैजुअल अर्लियर, रिमेंबर? एंड देन आई सॉ पीपल कमिंग इन अ वेरी फॉर्मल. सो मैंने कहा कि जब गेस्ट ही इतना फॉर्मल है तो अपने को और एज अ होस्ट फॉर्मल बनना पड़ेगा. बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक टेक्नोलॉजी एंड विद लॉट ऑफ फन एंड एक्साइटमेंट. सो आई गॉट इनटू माय ओरिजिनल ग्रूव. मैं अपनी मूलभूत उस प्रतिभा में आ गया कि मैं जो है अब इसको नेचुरली व्हाट आई फील लाइक आई विल वेयर एंड हैव फन. एंड जैसे स्टार्स नहीं जाते हैं कहीं पर रेडियो स्टेशन तो जो
स्टार, क्या आप स्टार है?
अच्छा हाँ स्टार हैं तो मतलब ठीक है. आप थैंक यू सो मच.
स्टार है. Strategism is also a very 5-star rated consulting training company. तो उसके बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. Roshni is the light of the show and प्रकाश चारों तरफ फैल जाता है. जैसे सूरज निकलता है तो सूर्योदय के वक्त चारों तरफ जो है चिड़िया चहचहाने लगती हैं और एकदम से एक जो है एनर्जी आ जाती है, एक ऊर्जा, एक ऊष्मा आती है. ऐसी रोशनी आती है तो चारों तरफ ऊर्जा आ जाती है.
तो मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि डॉक्टर सैम का जो ऊर्जा है वो भी सबको दिखे. इस वक्त क्या हो रहा है कि कभी ये जो माइक आपने पकड़ा है आज, डिफरेंट माइक, उससे आपका चेहरा, जो सुंदर सा चेहरा है आपका, वो ढक जा रहा है बार बार. तो आप अलाइन कीजिए. और उसी बात पे मैं याद दिलाना चाहती हूँ अपने लिसनर्स को दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली सी अस ऑन फेसबुक लाइव एट दिस पॉइंट. एंड ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज गो टू facebook.com, go to Radio Zindagi page. It's simply Radio Zindagi and you can see us live in conversation with the one and only Dr. Sam, founder and president of Strategism Inc. So Dr. Sam, without further ado, आज का top technology क्या है? I mean, what is the chosen top technology of this week?
Awesome. The top technology of the week, Roshni, is CPMAI. That is Certified Professional in Managing AI Projects. And It is a PMI certification.
Yeah.
So
that is a new flavor of PMI, right? Which
this is the latest.
Certified Professional in Managing AI Projects, because AI is so much front and center of everything. I mean, literally, if you can't keep up, then you're bound to kind of lose your footing.
Yeah.
So this is great that you are catering your PMI and PMP courses towards AI. तो प्लीज और बताइए हमारे listeners को इसके बारे में.
Yeah, if your question is that कि भाई why is it top on the list and what qualifies it to be there? So first of all, we all know PMI. It is in 170 countries and millions of members and board, and they have the entire digital footprint all across the world, in US, in Canada, in London, in Australia, in India. They're very big. So it is that certification, CPMAI, Certified Professional in Managing AI Projects. It's from PMI, and it's the top skill in demand. If you look at the World Economic Forum report, that data science and AI is the top skill in 2025. So that's what this certification is all about. It is about managing projects, and it is about a global network for networking with people and finding the right knowledge and the right skill set, maybe for looking for a job. So the top skills are AI, data science, technology literacy, leadership, and analytical skills. So if you have any of those, there's no reason that you will be unemployed, or even if you're struggling in your current job, you should be excited that 2026 start hota hai, to you're rocking the boat.
So, Dr. Sam, that's a very interesting segue, right? Of course, we know that the tech industry has been hit very hard. Like, everything's evolving with AI, of course, front and center, like I said. And a lot of people don't know where to pivot, what to do, because nobody seems to have the right answers. Everything is evolving. Everybody is like kind of a TBD kind of a situation, right? Even, our mentors, our managers, when we ask them, okay, what is 2026 going to look like? Nobody really has a predictive, proper, definitive answer. In fact, मुझे याद है कि 2025, when we started 2025, and the kinds of things that, like, for example, we planned in our company or in our team at the beginning, by the end of 2025, things just went topsy-turvy. So many new things came, the other things got deprioritized. So it's like things are changing very, very fast. So do you actually think there is a real opportunity? Because most people are actually losing jobs in tech right now. So you think with the CPMAI, Certified Professional in Managing AI Projects, there's actually real hope for people to find jobs?
Yeah, I think so. And the reason, Roshni, is that a lot of people are losing jobs in 2025, which is nothing new. If you remember, we have been talking for I did a show here in 2017, and Seba asked me this question: Dr. Sam, is AI really real, or it is just a hype bubble or a hype? I said AI is real. And now you heard Elon Musk last week saying that work will become optional, currency will become irrelevant. The governments have to figure out what to do. So when we know all this, right, and I'm surprised that why people are worried in tech companies, they know they are going to lose their job. Let's face it. Let's face it. I can tell you this: 2026, more jobs will be lost, because the question is, the U.S. labor market is 150 million people,
yes,
right? And tech jobs are about 5 million out of that. So in that 5 million segment, the unemployment rate is just 4%, 6%, 8%, in that range. US has about 4.5% in 150 million people. But next year, if you ask me, it will be more, because we all know that AI is going to take away 30, 40% of jobs. Some estimates say 80%. But let's be practical that will happen over a period of next 5 years. So 2026 will be more layoffs than 2025. 2027 will be more layoffs. But at the same time, they will be hiring. And you know this, and I know this, that companies are throwing money and hiring people for millions of dollars. In one of our shows, we talked about a gentleman who got a $20 million package.
Yeah, but I want to ask a question. This is a bit of a tough question. वो है कि I know that some companies, we can take names. I think that's okay, because it's an open news out there. Microsoft, even Meta, and some other pockets of the tech industry are really throwing money for people who are, specifically well versed in machine learning and AI. But I'm also hearing that those jobs are very iffy, very risky. Like they are stability नहीं है उसमें. ऐसा लग रहा है कि they are just scrambling to put things together, and मतलब job security बिल्कुल भी उसमें नहीं है. Even though at the onset it might seem like it's a great deal, it's too good to be true. It's actually too good to be true, because maybe that.
So रोशनी, जब राइट ब्रदर्स ने एरोप्लेन बनाया था, तो पहली बार वो बोइंग की तरह नहीं ऐसे उड़ता था, बट उड़ के इंडिया से पहुंच गए यूएस 15 घंटे में. नाउ Elon Musk is planning in Jeff Bezos with their companies that you can fly up in 10 minutes and then reach India in 20 minutes, right? But any new innovation is full of chaos and overinvestment and instability. आविष्कार हमेशा जो है बहुत सारी संभावनाएं पैदा करता है और बहुत सारी समस्याएं भी लेके आता है. पर एक टेकी का जो आउटलुक है, उसकी जो विचारधारा है, उसकी जो दृष्टिकोण है, वो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि चाहे कितना ही समस्या आ जाए, मेरे पास वो माइंडसेट है, वो बुद्धि है, वो बौद्धिकता है, और वो स्किल सेट है, राइट, जिसके द्वारा मैं इस तूफान से लड़ सकता हूं और तूफान को धाराशाही कर सकता हूं।
बिल्कुल,
और कोई स्टेबिलिटी नहीं है, आपको बता दूं फ्यूचर में, अगले 2-3 साल कोई
So
फ्यूचर।
expecting stability is foolishness.
यस
That's what you're
यस,
saying, because
चेंज
there
इज
is-
परमानेंट, चेंज इज,
Right,
स्पेशली जब आप सिलिकॉन वैली में रहते हो,
हाँ.
तो हम अक्सर चेंज देखते, राइट। आई हैव सीन दिस 3 times इन माय लाइफ।
Yeah.
.com बस को मैं देखा जब मैंने केम टू डू माय PhD, आई वाज एक्सपीरियंसिंग दैट,
Yeah.
राइट। तो मुझसे लोग बोले तुम इंडियन ऑयल की सरकारी नौकरी छोड़ के यहाँ पर आ गए, और पागल हो क्या?
सरकारी नौकरी तो
हाँ
एकदम,
वहां पे तुम रिटायर होते हो, डायरेक्टर चेयरमैन, Indian Oil, right? Even today, it is a coveted company.
of course, yeah.
But coming back to the context that, if you have a CPMAI, the projection is that $19 million jobs will be in the AI space, according to World Economic Forum. IDC has done a research about $600 billion is estimated globally to be spent in next 2-3 years, and then 86% of the companies, enterprise, right, जहां पे नौकरी ढूंढते हैं हम लोग, enterprise rank AI and big data as the top number 1 priority according to Dremio.
Awesome. तो ये सब तो ठीक है, and I fully agree with what you said, right? That your mindset is really going to determine your success, because it's easy to get bogged down, to get scared with all of this. But if you kind of set it in your mind that ये तो होगा ही, I have to just navigate to the best of my abilities and keep myself up to date, and be fearless about it, like you're talking. लेकिन ये बात भी तो सही है. This is a fact that a lot of the AI companies are failing. A lot of AI startups are failing. In fact, मैं उस दिन LinkedIn में एक post पढ़ रही थी. I don't remember the name of the person or the company, but he's like also one of the many AI-based, AI-focused startups, and he was like, every day I wake up sweating, thinking that Sam Altman has released another version of OpenAI, which basically replaces my entire proposition. So it's true, right, that many projects in AI are also failing. Why do you think they are failing at such a high rate?
Yeah, that's a very good point. The thing is that 70 to 85% of the projects in AI right now are failing as per this PMI research and data that they have accumulated for the CPMAI certification. And the top reason is that people think it's a software project. It is not a software project. It's not an application development. You cannot apply the principles of application SDLC or whatever you call it to data. I mean, AI is a data project. So you have to treat data as your priority and think of data pipeline and think of a river flowing versus the land around the river. So 80% is data and 20% is app. But most people have been trained in that mindset कि सब कुछ डेवलप करना है, इंजीनियरिंग करनी है, तो प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट करना है, तो सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट करना है. This is all they know. So that is why they are losing job. That is why they will have trouble. And then second is data है नहीं. कहते हैं डेटा रिलेटेड इशू है. नाउ डेटा इज मिसिंग और डुप्लीकेट और इनकरेक्ट और लेगेसी सिस्टम से आ रहा है एंड ओल्ड एंड ऑब्सोलीट, and it does not actually reflect the real needs of the dynamic, ever changing landscape of the market, right? बाजार जो है वो निरंतर बदलता है, right? और बदलते हुए बाजार की जो जरूरतें हैं, क्या आप उसको पूरी कर सकते हो कि नहीं, भाई? क्या आप उसको परिपूरित कर सकते हो कि नहीं? क्या आपके पास ऐसी कोई परिभाषा है? क्या आपके पास कोई ऐसा you have the skill set to fix that? That is not there.
So you are saying it's more so than ever before. The time now is to be adaptive, rather than methodology or process driven. You're basically saying throw process and methodologies out of the window, because there's no, the time is no longer for that, and it's about adapting to what works.
Correct. Throw something. This is what I do in my business every day. I throw 10 things on the wall. 7 of them don't stick.
Right.
8 is kind of sticking a little bit. 9 has some traction. 10th one is like awesome and amazing.
Awesome.
So
Trial and error.
We all have to become and start thinking like an entrepreneur, and
almost also like a scientist, right? Which is based on trial and error.
Yeah, discovery.
जितना trial करोगे error होगा, लेकिन finally something will stick.
I believe there's an Einstein in each one of us.
क्या बात है?
And we have to figure out that Einstein. Right now the projects are failing because also Roshni, the AI issues are there because the POC they are doing is on old data. It's not realistic data, right? And the models
are real data पे आता है तो वो काम नहीं करता है.
हाँ. और जो models है वो उनके वो update ही नहीं होते, right? Earlier, if you remember, ChatGPT was trained once in 6 months, or the first version was actually 2021 data, right? So you have to continuously create success and reduce this failure, and only 30% of the companies today have full scale implementation, and 46% of them discard their POCs level only. They can't go into production. 42% have completely given up AI initiatives because they've lost a lot of money. So that is actually a crisis, but crisis is always an opportunity. समस्या के बीच में ही जीवन की उत्पत्ति होती है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. तो मैंने एक कोट पढ़ा था जो काफी सिमिलर है जो आप कह रहे हैं कि when you see darkness around you, look inside, look towards you. You might be the light that will solve the problem.
I love that.
I love that too.
When there's darkness around, you could be the light.
You could be the light. So अभी तो हमने समस्याओं के बारे में बहुत बात करी. Let's come a little bit to the solutions जो आप एकदम अच्छी तरह से I know you can explain to our listeners with strategisms, prowess. So how much experience do you think is needed in a PM role, in a product management or a project management role rather, and also in AI to get this certification, which is CPM AI?
Well, the good news is, Rashni, you don't need any experience in AI. You don't need any experience in project management. You just, show up and take the course and get certified.
Awesome. That is really, really very good and very hopeful. और कितने दिनों का कोर्स है?
3 हफ्ते में पूरा हो जाता है. अगर आप
3 हफ्ते में
दो classes लो, Wednesday evening after work and Saturday before you go out for party. 3.5 घंटे की एक क्लास, 6 classes, 21 hours. So awesome. You are done.
तो क्या क्या टेक्नोलॉजी कवर होते हैं? What are the technology certification courses? What all will be covered if you can tell them, and also if you can tell my listeners the core concept of PMI 6-phase approach in managing AI projects. If you can summarize that for our listeners, that would be
great. I mean, the thing is that PMI has come out with their own framework, and they have a workbook on that you can take your project and implement this workbook. They even have a sample project there. So if you just follow that, the chances of failure can be reduced from 85% maybe to like 30-40%. I cannot say it will completely eliminate failures, but for example, they start talking about these 6 phases. One is, before you start the AI project, first know what is the need of the project. Do you really need AI or not? If not, then don't try to push AI. Everybody wants to look good in today's AI world and say, हम AI लगा रहे हैं. CEO बोलते हैं लगाओ AI, stock बढ़ जाएगा ऊपर, right? सारे AI लगाते हैं. Let's implement AI. AI is not an implementation project, right? That's the first thing. Second, matching AI with your business needs. That's the phase 1. Third, identifying, do we really have the data, right? What data we need to get this done? That's the next phase, phase 2. Phase 3 is that, okay, now we have the data, let's prepare it, let's clean it, missing values, outliers, right? And duplicate data, irrelevant data. So that is the data preparation part. The next piece is that once you have the data and you have worked on it, just try and iterate and build the model. After building the model, test and evaluate the model. And lastly, operationalize and go in production. So they have developed their 6-phase framework to help implement projects successfully end to end. And they've done this with like 5 different projects across different industries, banking and finance and healthcare. And they've experienced about 70 to 80% success.
Awesome. And how difficult is the exam? Do you think like 3 weeks without any experience, just taking the course, it's easy for them to crack? And also, how expensive is it? And can it be taken from home, or do they have to physically go somewhere?
So the good news is that you can take it from the comfort of your home. You can sip your coffee. Actually not, because when you're taking the exam, there's a camera watching you. Don't do that. But before that, you can have it. And after that, you can have it. 120 questions, 20 pre-test questions. And then you should be sitting there for 160 minutes and do it from your home. And not that expensive, $600, some $99 if you're a member of PMI.
Okay, awesome. And can you earn PDUs to help your other certificates, just like PMP, which is like...
Yeah, professional development unit. Absolutely. So if you take this course, you get 21 PDUs that you can use towards your PMP. कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, लोग कर नहीं पाते, expire हो जाता है वो. So that you can use this for that, and as well as for your knowledge gaining.
ठीक है. और ये जो course glossary है, what does the course glossary give to professionals in AI?
That is a great question. When I was going through the course content initially, a few months ago when I started preparing, because PMI just came out with this 3 months ago. There's a 30-page glossary, and every word that I was hearing when I was going outside in the events, I saw a beautiful summary of all those words in that glossary. So, agentic AI, all the buzzwords,
All the
even the
buzzwords.
technology, Python and Red Code or whatever you hear today, or the technical basis, even Boost, right? What is that? XBoost, right? So what is PyTorch and so everything is explained nicely. So somebody who's just starting new can build their knowledge from the glossary.
Awesome, awesome. And what is the workbook and sample workbook for managing AI projects from PMI?
Oh, I just told you that, right? Workbook is that all this 6 phases that they talk about before you create and test a model and train that model. You can have a sample project and you can have
Oh, I see.
templates. And it's because if you have a template for everything, establishing the business need, so do a ROI study, feasibility study, proof of concept, viability, should be go forward and go or no go decision. So all that starting from the beginning till the end, all 6 phases are through a template and a sample project. They
Sample
actually
project जो मतलब real life
हाँ रियल लाइफ में उन्होंने इम्प्लीमेंट
Okay.
किया 3-4 projects और उसका पर उन्होंने नाम they had to, because they have PMI is vendor neutral, so they don't want to give out any names and they're
Right,
not promoting, they're non-profit, but successfully they implemented the whole project, and this company was experiencing severe crisis, a lot of strife internally because nobody knows what is to be done. It's a new thing and everybody thinks he's the boss. Typical Fortune 500 company scenario. And they were able to really reduce the failures.
Awesome, awesome. And then last but not the least, Dr. Sam, before we wrap up our show, how can strategism, Dr. Sam's baby, strategism help our listeners? Trainer कौन है, कहाँ पे training हो रही है, what are the perks of strategism that can actually help our listeners get out of this phase where they are having difficulty finding the next big project or finding their next job?
The exciting part is that I am the trainer for this. I have just started a course and we had about 30-40 inquiries in a very short span of time, especially a lot of our old students in our network. And you can take it from our office in Newark if you want to come there. Wednesday evenings after work and Saturday daytime before you go for a party. So these 2 classes happen after work and weekend morning. And you can also get, if you want, we can help you get certification in the same space from Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, which are the top 3 players in the space: AWS, GCP, and Azure. You can get trained, certified. We can help you with your resume, marks, marketing, job assistance, because we see a big problem right now in the Valley. A lot of people who are very experienced are losing jobs, and we want to really jump in and help them. And for today's listeners, we have a special code. If you see, would you like to announce that?
Yes, of course. Why don't you announce that for our listeners, Dr. Sam? Please
नहीं,
do
जब आप
the
कुछ करते हो तो
honors.
उसमें कुछ ज्यादा मुझे लगता है वो आती है, रोशनी आती है.
नहीं, आप ही कर दीजिए इस
अच्छा,
बार.
अच्छा.
Go for it. Drum roll, please.
So
The
friends,
discount
if-
code for Dr. Sam's new course is
Refer RZ 87.2.
Refer RZ 87.2.
Yeah.
Awesome. And with that, you not only get the goodness of Dr. Sam's new course in AI PMP rather, but you also get a very, very good discount. Thank you so much, Dr. Sam. We're actually at time. What is your parting message for our listeners?
My
today?
parting message is, friends, it's a holiday time. Have a fantastic day today. Have a good time with your family and friends. Travel a lot, party a lot, be excited. Don't worry about jobs. I have seen this in 20 years happening all the time. At least 3-4 times I've seen this. So we are equipped with the tool set and we are equipped with the hammer to rock that boat and kill all the negativity around the layoffs and immigration. And we're going to rock 2026 with big time.
We're gonna rock it. Absolutely. Okay, see you once again on Tech Chai next Tuesday, 3:30 p.m. Till then,
Ji
stay
ja.
tuned to Radio Zindagi. Ji ja.